Alright, so let's generate some photos using Picjam. I'm going to drag and drop my product, which in this case is a women's t-shirt. And I'm going to select the product angle. So in this case, it was a front-facing t-shirt. And I'm going to input the product category, obviously women's clothing. And then for the product type, there's a lot to choose from, a lot Picjam can do, but we're going to choose t-shirt for today. Now the background, we've got a lot of options from lifestyle to the in-studio look as well. We could have this feature in a home, a beach, for example, but I'm going to go with a nice pastel gray to really make those colors pop. And then I'm going to hit generate. So that's the first step. And then as we wait for the photos to generate, and it takes around 2 minutes, a little bit less, I'll take you through what else is available in the Picjam dashboard. Now, we have different creative options for backgrounds that you can use, and these are available after the generation is complete. So across the two different types of backgrounds, many sellers will use lifestyle for hero images on the homepage or in ads or say general marketing like EDMs. And then they use the plain background or the studio background photos for e-commerce listings, right? Which is a really clean look where the product pops forward. So there's a lot of different use cases of where Picjam is super useful. Now, what makes Picjam really different is photo quality. Now, the problem with other AI generation tools is that by the time the product photo is finished generating, it's not the actual product that remains. It's actually something quite different. Looks similar, but it could be off by 10 to 20%. That doesn't fly in e-com. We all know that the buyer is going to receive something that's not actually like the product listing, and that just doesn't fly. It's a nightmare. It's worse than what we had to begin with. So in this case, we've maintained the product integrity 100%. So if you look to the left, you see the input image, and you look to the right, all of that product quality and detail has been remained. And there's some beautiful shadows that have been added to these models here, which is super lifelike. I really like this one, so I'm going to download that. And let's take a look at some of these others. Beautiful as well, different quality in the expression of the face. I like that too. Different shadows which have come through, so another creative option. I'm going to download that too. And then let's look at this fourth one. I really like the angle of the legs. I like the other two a bit better though, so I'm going to do some more generations, and this time I'm going to go lifestyle. So I can just keep regenerating, and I can create as many models as I like, and then I can hit regenerate. And so the cycle continues. There's just so many combinations you can make from different model types to different backgrounds. The possibilities are really endless. And it's so interesting being able to play the role of photographer, art director, and also an e-commerce owner or someone on the marketing team who really understands the product intimately. It's such an interesting type of photo shoot experience to have, and we can't wait to see what you create. If you have any comments, ideas, or feedback, feel free to get in touch, and we'd love to talk further. I hope you enjoy this demo.